Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out standings on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page and then scroll down till you find this matches section and click on the see all button in the right side of the screen. Then tap on the standings section at the top, which is the second one, and here you can find the total standing. As you scroll down you can see a long chart. It's very detailed, containing the team names and so on. If you tap on the home button you can also check out another chart, and in the away section you can also see the standings. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.